Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Go to Settings, About, System Update, and confirm the available update size and build. Make sure your My TV is on stable Wi-Fi, has over 50% battery or is plugged in, and at least 2 GB free storage so the package unpacks. Back up your important apps and credentials. This prevents lost logins if a reset is required. Once done, select Download and watch progress. Pause only if download stalls or network drops. After the download finishes, tap Install Now and the TV will reboot into the updater. You control nothing else during this phase. You should not power off or unplug the set. Interrupting can corrupt the system. The installer may show multiple stages and percentage jumps as partitions update. That's normal. If the process seems stuck beyond 30 minutes, make a note of any on-screen error codes. Then reboot to recovery and clear cache before retrying the update to avoid repeated failures. Once the update completes, the TV boots to the home screen. You should sign back into accounts and update Play Store apps so everything plays nice. Check the new build in Settings About and test HDMI ports, casting, Wi-Fi, and picture settings to confirm stability. If you encounter boot loops or missing features, gather any error codes or logs, then perform a factory reset as a last resort. This resolves stubborn conflicts but will erase local data, so restore from your backup afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.